Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Friday Eve. Friday Eve. So today we covered the last portions of this epic poem, Beowulf. And in capturing that wonderful epic poem, we covered again the last two sections. So here's how we get there. We go to assignments, and you want to go to today's date, September the 3rd. Those two assignments encompass the reading The Death of Beowulf and Mourning Beowulf. So we click on that. And here you're going to find that assignment that refers you to Beowulf's book pages. So in order to get to the book, you want to click on this link, and then you will see it download over here in the left portion of your screen. You will open it, and there you are. Voila. So, and then you'll scroll down to the section that's titled The Death of Beowulf and Mourning Beowulf. So we covered a lot of material this week, and this was definitely a poem of epic proportions. So once you have completed reading both of those sections, you'll go back and then answer the corresponding questions in the Google document listed in the link below. So when you click on that, this will open you up into the Google Doc that will force you to make a copy, your own copy of the document. Just simply go back here, replace copy, the word copy, with your name, and then proceed to answering the questions. So again, after you've read these sections of The Death of Beowulf and Mourning Beowulf, you will be prompted to go ahead and answer the questions. Now, remember, if you were in class today, you are exempt from having to complete this assignment, as we did this already, answered these questions already in the chat. So you will go ahead and answer the 5 questions below, and then you will go back to prepare to submit your assignment. In submitting your assignment, you'll be required to, I'm going to put this in the student view so that you can see this in that view, but you'll go back, you'll stay in your assignment. You won't have to go back for anything because you're already in your student view, but notice that it'll have an icon appear at the right of your screen, and that says submit assignment. Once you click on that, you will then go down to the portion where it says Google Drive. Once you click on there, it will take you to documents in your Google Drive, and you will simply select that document that we were working on and upload it into the assignment. It will upload as a file, and then guess what you'll hit? Submit assignment. And you're done. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful time. We have finished, after you've done this, you would have finished reading Beowulf, and we will just take a deeper dive into some of the meaning, some more of the words and terminology, and then some more of those wonderful themes. So until then, enjoy the poem, and I'll see you tomorrow.